Volleyball World Cup scheduled to take place in Nairobi from the 15th to 22nd of April 2025. The Kenya Volleyball Federation has launched national trials to select the team that will represent the country in this historic event. Over 30 countries are expected to participate. The trials are set to continue for the whole week from now, and the squad will be expected to be announced later onwards.
Kenya is privileged to have to host the first ever Junior Rollerball World Cup. It has never been held in the world. It is coming to Kenya, and so many. We have like 34 countries that gave interest to participate, but there is the deadline of 10th of March. Being a deadline of confirmation.
You can come into the sport when you're still young. It has 4 different categories. So there's under 11. So anyone 8 to 11 years can easily fit, because there they have developed the fine muscles to be able to handle the ball, to be able to play as a team. There is under 14 also. Those are people who are now in upper primary there. So, and then it caters for under 17. Those are junior.
Actually, in the training phase, we want to test the agility of the kids. We want to test their skill in the game. Actually, ball control, skate control, agility, stability, speed, and everything. So that we actually know, we already know how the Indians or all the other countries play. And that's what we want to instill in the kids.
The World Cup is a big thing. Of course, I am a bit shaken, shy about it, but we are preparing for it. We need to prepare ourselves so we can keep the World Cup trophy in Kenya, not leave it go outside.
I am 13 years old. I come from a school called Kasoito Comprehensive School. I play for a team that is called Rafa team. And like now, we have come here just to train with others so that we can be selected in national team.
Don't forget that Kenya has already won the Rollerball World Cup in India, and for the second time probably.